Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video I will be showing you how I turned my friend's jet black hair into an almost platinum blonde. I say almost platinum blonde because we're not quite there yet. Almost, probably one more session and we're good to go, but for now she's almost there. So this video will show you 2 sessions of bleaching her hair, and I'll show you before and after pictures and the whole process, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I have my friend's hair sectioned off into 4 separate sections, clipped off 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and I'm just randomly putting on bleach from root to end. And by the way, I'm using 30 volume developer, and I'm just putting on bleach from root to end. I should have started at the bottom, but for whatever reason I chose to start at the root. The root actually goes quicker. The bleach takes the root quicker, so I should have started at the bottom. And her hair stayed pretty orange at the bottom, so now I know, start at the bottom. Anyhow, so this here I'm halfway done, and as you can see, the bleach is moving quickly. It works very fast, so I had to move fast. I was trying to move as quickly as I can. So here I'm just putting on bleach, the same procedure all the way through, all the way to the top. So here you can see I've reached the top. I'm almost done. I'm trying to work quickly. This bleach don't play. It just goes quickly. So the bottom was actually platinum already. So here I'm getting ready to tone the hair. I've mixed the toner with 20 volume and just put it all over her hair. No specific order, no top to bottom, bottom to top, just putting on the toner all over her hair for 25 minutes. So we're back with our second session of bleaching and toning. And here I am starting at the bottom because I learned my lesson last time from starting at the root. And her hair still stayed a little bit orange at the bottom, so we started at the bottom, moving our way up. And as you can see, it's pretty light because she's been using the purple shampoo for quite a while now. It's been about almost 3 weeks. So yeah, so we're just repeating the process all over again.